Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about my top favorite lip glosses of all times. Now don't get me wrong, I have many favorites besides these as well because I keep purchasing the new ones as well. But the reason I included these in my top favorites is because these have been consistently among my favorites for the past 1 or 2 years, and I have constantly repurchased them again and again and again and again. Now, one of them is a new discovery, but I had to include it because it is a very innovative product. So I thought I will include it nonetheless. Right, so let's get started. So to start with, this is the lip gloss that I'm wearing. It is Pixi by Petra and it is in the shade Sheer Rose. This is the shade I'm wearing right now, as you can see, and I love the shade. I have all the shades, but this is, I think, the brightest of the colors, and I like bright colors. I do like their nudes as well, but this is something that I reach out for the most often. So this is the one that I'm wearing right now. Again, the quality of it is amazing. It is not gloopy and it'll give you a bit of a tingle. It'll give you that plumping effect. It is just amazing. You are gonna love this one. The second one, again, in no specific order of preference. This is not exactly a liquid gloss. It comes in a stick form, and this is your shiny finish lipstick or gloss, or a hybrid of the two. I'll just show you how the finishing is. Again, this is in the shade Berry. So you can see how that is. It's a very beautiful shiny finish. So I will try this on so you can see how it looks.
So this one goes like that.
So you can see this is more of a lilac color, raspberry lilac, and it has a very shiny finish, and it beautifully moisturizes the lips as well, and it is not gloopy to the touch. It is not gloopy at all, and I just love the finish of this. As you can see, it's even matching with my top actually. I love the shade. I just love it. Okay, so this is the other one. I just get so excited when I'm talking about glosses. I don't know what is it about makeup that we girls just get so excited about, right? And it has some very safe ingredients. I don't think it's gonna cause any major sensitivity, especially if you have sensitive skin, which I do. So this is really a safe company to go with. This I really love. Okay. The other one is by Glow Skin Beauty, and girls, I have to tell you, Glow Skin Beauty makes some of the best lip glosses I have ever seen. It is not much talked about in the beauty community, and I don't know why that's the reason. Now I'll show you the finishing of this one is, again, very beautiful. This is something that you are not gonna regret at all. This is called the Cream Glaze Crayon. This is the Cream Glaze Crayon, and I am in the shade Heirloom. All of their lip glosses are just ethereal. I mean, I just love all of them. I don't have a word to describe it, but Glow Skin Beauty has the most amazing glosses I have ever seen. Okay. So I'll just put this on and you will see for yourself. Now, on the camera and with this light, you may not be able to see the exact beautiful effect. And I'm telling you guys, this gloss is to die for. I love this shade. It'll just put it up another notch with the glow factor. So you're gonna really love this. I don't know, you cannot go wrong with the Glow Skin Beauty glosses. They are just amazing, and amazing quality as well. Okay, the other one that I had to bring out is it's not exactly a gloss, but it is more of a balm lipstick. a tinted balm lipstick. I'm in the shade Berry. So as you can see, it is very, very sheer. You can just wear it alone on days that you want to go with a no makeup, very natural look, and yet look all put together with just a little mascara, liner, and this. And I think it'll really perk you up. It's a beautiful color, it's a beautiful finish, it's a beautiful quality, it'll moisturize your lips, and it'll just glow. You cannot go wrong with this. Amazing. Okay, again by Dior. Dior again makes some amazing lip products, don't they? Okay, so I have most of the shades. This is the Lip Maximizer. I have 3 shades. I have the others as well, but these 3 I use the most often. I will just show you the finishing of one of these. Now this is the deepest of the shades in 006. I hope you can see that clearly. It's a very glowy lip plumper. It'll give you a bit of a tingle, and it'll plump up your lips, and it has hyaluronic and good for lips ingredients. The one thing that I have noticed that when I do use this consistently, I do notice that my lips do become plumper over a period of time when I use this consistently. So I feel this does do good things to your lips as well. So it's just not about looking beautiful at the time when you're wearing it, but it's also very good for your lips. So this one you cannot go wrong with. It is doing very, very well with the reviews as well, and I think it is worth the cost. It is amazing. Now this one is a newer discovery. This is by Huda Beauty, the Lip Strobe. I have not tried lip strobing in the past. This is my first time, and I loved the way it sits on the lips. Now because this is a new product, I will show you how it looks, because there is a certain way how you wear this. Now you can experiment your way as to how you wear this, but I have discovered my own, and I will show it to you. You put that on. You have to use a very light hand when you're doing this, and you just rub it in. The whole idea is to blend it in. And there you are. It gives you that gradient effect of shades, you know, from the darker to the lighter on the, especially at the center, and you can play around with the colors. I got the shade Ritzy, which is one of her most popular shades among the lip strobes. And I really like how this looks, because this goes, I think, with most lip colors, and they have a range of colors. So you can take a look and you can experiment with these and see what looks best on you. I really like this one. So this is, I think, is a very innovative product. So it's not exactly a gloss, but I think it's a beautiful hybrid of a strobe highlighter and a gloss all packed into one. That's how I see it. So you should give this one a try as well. So those are my top glosses of all times. Do let me know in the comments below which are your favorite lip glosses. I would love to try those as well. The other thing I wanted to mention is that lip glosses are something that you should carry with you wherever you go if you're into glosses. The reason being because they come off very easily when you drink water, or, you know, as the day goes by, it does tend to wear off very fast. It's a good idea to just pack one in your bag. I always have my lip gloss in the bag whenever I'm on the go, because not only does it give you the shiny glossy effect, but it also gives you that plumpy effect. It just freshens you up during the day. Yeah, so those are my favorite lip glosses of all times. Do let me know in the comments below which are your favorite lip glosses. I would love to try those as well. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and do remember to subscribe to the channel, and remember to click on the bell icon, because if you don't click on the bell icon, you will not get a notification when I do upload a video. So subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, like the video, and I will see you very, very, very soon in my next video. You take care of yourself wherever you are in the world. Ciao!